everyone, my name is Angelina Cubero, otherwise known as Lina Light, and I live with multiple sclerosis. Managing a chronic condition like MS, especially during the ups and downs of the pandemic, can feel isolating and intimidating. But it doesn't have to be. When I was first diagnosed, I didn't know anyone living with MS, but now I know tons of people. Thanks to the 11 amazing advocacy groups that are partnering with Genentech to support and celebrate the diverse MS community. These groups are all committed to providing resources for the MS community to help find answers and point people in the right direction to seek the appropriate care. That's why they're partners in the movement to increase MS visibility. Through my involvement with organizations such as the National MS Society, I've been able to meet so many other people like me and get the support that I need to manage my MS. Since the start of the pandemic, I've tried my best to connect with as many people from the MS community as possible to share words of inspiration and advice wherever I can. I really enjoyed partnering with the Society to create social and digital content such as performing for MS Got Talent twice to maximize the number of people we're able to reach. Be sure to check out these groups, learn more about their programs, and find out more about their offerings by checking out their links below. Or leave a comment if you're interested in learning more about these groups and how they can help you in your MS journey. MS can feel isolating, but you're not alone. You have an amazing community here to support you, so don't hesitate to reach out and utilize these resources.